Hi everyone, welcome back to Problem Solving. Today we'll tackle a Code Forces problem from the problem set, problem number 546A, called Soldier and Bananas. This is a straightforward arithmetic problem where we'll calculate how much money a soldier needs to borrow to buy a certain number of bananas. The problem goes like this. A soldier wants to buy a certain number of bananas, and each banana costs an increasing amount of money. The cost of the first banana is K dollars, the second banana costs 2 times K, and so on. So, if the soldier wants to buy W bananas, the cost of bananas will be a total sum of K times 1 plus K times 2 plus K times 3 plus K times W prime. However, the soldier has only in dollars. If the soldier doesn't have enough, we need to calculate how much he needs to borrow. Now, let's go over the code that will solve this problem. Here's the Python code we're using. Let's break this down. 1. Input values. First, we take 3 inputs, K, N, and EW. Here, K is the cost of the first banana. N is the amount of money the soldier currently has. W is the number of bananas the soldier wants to buy. We're using list comprehension to read these values in one line, converting them to integers right away. 2. Calculating the total cost. Next, we calculate the total cost for buying all W bananas. The sum of a series of numbers from 1 to W can be found with the formula W times W plus 1 divided by 2. This will give us the total number of banana units needed without factoring in K yet. In the code, we store this in the variable W factor, calculated as we use integer division, A546, to ensure we get a whole number. This gives us the sum of the first W numbers. 3. Applying the banana cost factor. To find the actual total cost, we multiply W factor by K, like this. Here, W factor. K represents the total cost of buying all the bananas. Then we subtract in the money the soldier has to find the amount he needs to borrow. If result is negative, it means the soldier has enough money and doesn't need to borrow anything. 4. Ensuring the borrowed amount is non-negative. Finally, we need to make sure we don't get a negative result. If result is negative, the soldier doesn't need to borrow, so we use max of 0, result to ensure it outputs 0 instead of a negative number. This line will print the required amount the soldier has to borrow, if any, otherwise it prints 0. So that's it. In summary, we took the cost per banana, amount of money and number of bananas as inputs. Used a formula to find the total cost. Subtracted the soldier's money to find how much he still needs. Ensured he wouldn't need to borrow negative money by using max of 0 result. This code efficiently calculates how much the soldier should borrow or if he has enough money already. Thanks for watching, and if you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more problem-solving videos on Code Forces.